Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove negative feedback on eBay. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now tap on My eBay on bottom left of the screen. This will open your account. Now tap on your username. This will take you to your profile. Over here you can see an option for feedback. Tap on feedback and here it is. Over here you can see a feedback ratings from positive, neutral to negative. And right now my feedback section is empty. However, I will guide you through the process. Next, scroll down the feedback section. Here you will see all the feedback details including any negative feedback. Find the negative feedback that you want to remove. Next to the feedback, click on More Action or the three dots. Click on Report Feedback to open up the option for resolving the issue. Here you can request the feedback removed if it violates eBay's feedback policies, such as if it's abusive or unwarranted. Once you have filled out your form with the region, subject the request. eBay will review it and determine if the feedback qualifies for removal. And that's how we can remove negative feedback on eBay. If this video made today a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.